The Feature Plant Units feature allows you to look up all of the construction units on a feature by station number, such as pole number or by global ID. This functionality is available from any browser with an internet connection, including mobile devices like phones and tablets. Now, here we have the main page for the website. From here, go ahead and mouse over to the top left of the screen and click the 3 lines menu button and select Assets. You'll see this list of the different options you have. The only one we need for this tutorial is Feature Plant Units, so go ahead and select that. As you can see, we get an empty page with this little guy on it, and we have a search bar at the top. Here's where you can input your station number or global ID for the feature you want to look at. For now, I'm only going to do a search by station number. Now, on the left here, you'll see that these all share the station number that I searched for, and we get some basic information here, including the asset group, the unit code, and the CPR year. However, if we click on one of these options, we are given a longer list of information that also shows the feature class and the global ID. If you wanted to find the exact point of something on your map, you could search the station and copy the global ID and search that in your map, and it will bring you right to it. Now, the item I clicked on was a pole, and you can see here that it is set to not linear. So let's go check out something like this primary overhead right here. As you can see, this item is set to linear. So we get some extra information underneath, including the length, linear sag, and extra length. Another handy thing is that you are able to see the circuit it is connected to, the phase, and any other stations that it connects to as well. Now, as I touched on earlier, you are also able to access all of this from the mobile version as well. So if you are looking to do so, go ahead and check out our other tutorial on that as well.